Hey Joseph, how you doing? Thank you very much for clicking this video. My name is Lucas and I was talking this morning with Stephanie telling her about this video that I put together for you guys on 3 things that I found in your website that you can fix really easily to start beating Wire Masters Electric. These guys are the ones that show when you look for Electrician Miami, are the ones that show on the very first place on Google results, okay? And you could be there really easily by just implementing these 3 things that I'm gonna tell you about. So you may wonder why I made this video for you. Is because I know a lot of business owners are really busy helping their clients and they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. Also, when it comes to hire somebody to help them, they don't know how to filter who's an expert and who's not. So I made these educational videos completely for free, and so you can see what you need to do in order to get there. And a lot of business owners, they like to take the information and do it themselves, but a lot of them as well, on the other hand, contact me and have me doing it for them. So either one is all good for me. I just enjoy helping businesses to grow. And that said, let's move on with the video. I'm gonna keep it nice and short so I don't waste your time or mine either. Those 3 things are content, citations, and backlinks. Okay, content would be everything that is on your website. I have a nice looking website here. That would be all the pictures, text, how the pictures are saved as well with the what is behind the pictures. So if you take all of that and you put it on the word counter over here, you see that you have 1300 words, which is pretty good. Okay, then Google usually likes to see about 2000 words average on their websites that they're ranking at the top. So we get these guys here and we put it on the word counter. Okay, you see that they have also around 1300 words. What is the difference between you guys and these guys? That the content on these guys is more keyword oriented. That's why they're ranking higher than you guys on Google. Okay, what does it mean? That, for example, when you look for a service like Electrician Miami and you look on your website, okay, like you do like this and you look Electrician Miami, which is a term search a lot of times every single month searching for this service. You don't even mention it once on your website, okay? That's where you're not being found for this. And these other guys, when you look for that, you can see it several times. So you want to add some more content or just keep kind of the same content, but just focus on these keywords, on these terms that people are searching the most regarding your services so you can be found for them. Okay, it's just a little like a little optimization. Then second thing is backlinks. Backlinks are basically another website mentioning your website. So when you click in it, it drives all the traffic back to your site, right? And Google is a little bit like a popularity contest. So they like to see relevant pages on the niche mentioning you and vouching for you. So by that I mean that it's not the same that a Pizza Hut mentions you on their website than another electric company does it. Okay, that is way more powerful under Google's eyes. And to check backlinks, we use a tool called Ahrefs. I put your website over here, and I can see that you have already 74 referring domains. So when you go to your competition right here, you see that they have 76. Why is then that the number is so close and they're ranking way higher than you? That is because, as I said, not all backlinks and referring domains and backlinks are created equal. Okay, some of them give you way more power than others. So the way to go up in Google and be your competition with all these ones that you have already is go over here and go through every single one of them, making register your account and put a link to your website in there. So that way you would be copying all your competition. And if these backlinks are good for them, they're good for you as well. Okay. So that way you have the same ones as them plus some extra. That way you will be beating them on those two. Third thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations are basically what it gets you here. Citation is your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web, like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp, Facebook, Angie. All right. And what you want to do is see how many citations your competition has and just make the same ones plus some extra ones. Usually around 100 more is what I would recommend because that way it makes it really hard for them to ever catch up with you. So let's say they have 150, I would go for 300, 250 at least, okay? And this is completely free. It just take time to build all that stuff. And that said, a little recap on everything that you need is the make your content a little more keyword oriented, but you have already a pretty good looking website and very like interactive. I would put a little more calls to action around here, okay? But you're pretty good already on that. Then make sure you build a strong backlink profile because that you have so many backlinks and you're not showing up in Google like that tells me that your backlinks are not as strong. So just start by copying them on all the backlinks that they have and also build a strong profile on your citations. Okay, so you can get on the top on here and on here. That way you will be getting the lion's share of the traffic and we'll be getting way more calls and way more business. So if you like what you just saw and what you just heard and you want me to help you get in there, please feel free to contact me and we can talk about it. If you want to take all this information for free and start doing it yourself, but you have any questions on the process, just again, feel free to contact me at any time. The next step for you that I would really recommend is to start putting this on action as soon as possible, since implementing all this takes some time. And the sooner you start, the sooner you'll finish, and the sooner you'll be starting to get all those extra calls. All right. Thank you very much for watching the video. And if you can give me a little feedback on what you think about it, that would really help me. Have a great day.